In the modern retail environment, efficiency and dependability are critical. To fulfill these demands, Shopify POS provides seamless hardware integration, providing interoperability with a wide selection of point-of-sale gear. Shopify POS supports a variety of hardware devices, from receipt printers and barcode scanners to cash drawers and card readers, easing operations and improving the customer experience. In this video, we will examine the relevance and benefits of Shopify POS hardware integration, emphasizing how it enables merchants to streamline their point-of-sale procedures, enhance accuracy, and create a coherent and efficient retail environment. Streamlining point-of-sale processes. Shopify POS hardware integration simplifies and streamlines POS procedures for retailers. By assuring interoperability with a varied choice of POS hardware devices, retailers may simply connect their preferred devices to the Shopify POS system. For example, barcode scanners can be integrated to enable for quick and accurate product scanning during checkout. This eliminates manual data entry and lowers the chance of human error, assuring efficient and accurate transaction processing. Receipt printers may also be simply linked into Shopify POS, allowing shops to generate professional-looking receipts for consumers in real time. This integration saves time and improves the overall client experience by delivering instant transaction documentation. Increased accuracy and efficiency. The integration of POS hardware devices with Shopify POS enhances accuracy and operational efficiency. By connecting connected devices, merchants may speed up transactions and reduce manual tasks. Cash drawers can be linked into Shopify POS to ensure that cash transactions are safely controlled and documented. This integration eliminates the need for human cash handling and decreases the possibility of errors during cash management. Card readers can also be effortlessly integrated, allowing merchants to accept numerous payment methods safely and efficiently. By connecting compatible card readers, merchants may process credit and debit card payments smoothly, increasing transaction speed and delivering a hassle-free payment experience for customers. Furthermore, Shopify POS hardware integration enhances inventory management procedures. By incorporating barcode scanners, merchants can correctly and efficiently update inventory levels, manage product movements, and reduce errors associated with human data entry. Various hardware options. Shopify POS hardware integration provides retailers with a variety of options, assuring interoperability with a variety of hardware devices. Retailers can choose the hardware that best meets their business demands and budget, ranging from industry-leading names to low-cost solutions. Retailers can choose from a choice of receipt printers, barcode scanners, cash drawers, and card readers that work in tandem with Shopify POS. This adaptability enables merchants to modify their hardware arrangement to their individual needs, whether they operate a small boutique or a large-scale retail business. Integration and scalability. Shopify POS hardware integration works flawlessly with a variety of hardware devices, assuring compatibility and ease of use. Whether shops use hardware from Shopify's recommended list or third-party choices, Shopify POS offers complete integration features. Furthermore, Shopify POS hardware connection is scalable, so it can accommodate enterprises of all sizes. Retailers can begin with a basic hardware setup and expand as their business expands, simply adding more devices as needed. Shopify POS hardware connection allows businesses to streamline their point-of-sale procedures, improve accuracy, and maximize operational efficiency. Shopify POS enables shops to build a unified and efficient retail environment by providing compatibility with a wide range of POS hardware devices, including receipt printers, barcode scanners, cash drawers, and card readers. With its seamless connectivity and scalability, Shopify POS hardware integration provides merchants with the flexibility and dependability they require to drive customer delight, manage operations, and achieve retail success in today's competitive industry.